Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best kitchen faucets that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Delta 9178 RDST Leland Kitchen Faucet Single-Handle Pull-Down Faucet. If you are searching for a kitchen faucet that will transform your old kitchen to a modern one, this Delta 9178 RDST faucet is the best as compared to other alternatives for you. One thing that many individuals say about this faucet is that it offers you a customary style and modern-day conveniences. This faucet features a diamond seal technology that depends on a valve with a diamond coating for up to 5 million uses. This faucet is likewise furnished with soft touch clean spray holes that empower you to simply wipe away lime and calcium buildup by simply touch of a finger. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Kablle Commercial Single Handle High Arch Brushed Nickel Kitchen Faucets. Installing the Kablle kitchen sink faucet takes a short time even when done by inexperienced people. This is owing to its simple and straightforward design. Nonetheless, despite its simplicity, this piece can last for a long time and provides good reliable service. It comes with a single handle, high arch, and a fairly long pull-down hose. Other worthy features are brushed nickel finish, single-level deck plate, and flexible hose retracting system. Reasons it tops this list include easy operating, straightforward installation, reliable safety control, drip-free, and good quality. At number 3, we have the Kablle Kitchen Faucets with Pull-Down Sprayer. The Kablle Kitchen Faucet is known for their easy and quick installation. They are suitable for domestic and commercial kitchen and feature a single-level pull-out for simplicity, a high arch for convenience, and a 350-degree swiveled for improved functionality. The multifunctional unit comes with stream, rinsing, and pause. The long spout together with the ultra-long hose extend the space and also simplify operation. The main positives are quick installation, easy operation, multifunctional, drip-free, and reliability. At number 2, we have the Delta Faucet Single-Handle Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet. The Arctic Stainless Faucet by Delta is available in a single-handle pull-down design. It's made from quality stainless steel metal for strength, reliability, and rust corrosion resistance. The accessory will fit on standard water systems and features Delta's Magna-Tight docking for easy snapping into place. To minimize mineral buildup, it comes with touch-clean spray holes. The high arc spout swivels for 360 degrees for improved functionality. Advantages of this faucet are good quality, flawless performance, great looks, and quick installation. And finally, at number 1, we have the Lux Tulip Single-Handle Faucet. This nickel-brushed faucet will improve the operation and elegance in your kitchen. Suited for domestic and commercial applications, the Lux Tulip is famed for its quick installation and reliability. It's made from quality lead-free metal for strength and safety. It comes with a 3-function self-retracting spray head that can shower spray, pause, or stream. The 360-degree rotation sprout makes cleaning and washing utensils easy, while the multi-handle positions improve functionality. The faucet, together with the spout, ceramic cartridge, and quick connect hoses, will offer as many as 500,000 cycles. Users love the quick installation, great price, easy use, and lead-free construction. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.